Hi everybody, Bob Sokoler, Sokoler Team Remax Properties East. Right now I am in the center of Florence, Italy. This is a gorgeous city. It's filled with history, culture, and beauty. And everywhere you look, there is something spectacular to see, whether it's churches, or it might be museums, or even just shopping. The one thing here in this city, though, is that people who live in this area, they're pretty much landlocked. They can't move because the price of homes, apartments, condos is so expensive, they have to renovate. So they're stuck in the place that they are, and they end up renovating. For those of us who live in Louisville and Southern Indiana, the important thing to remember is we have options. We can move if we want, if we get tired of a home instead of renovating. But a lot of people don't want to move. They'd rather stay where they are, especially with prices the way they are in Louisville and Southern Indiana. You could renovate. You could do a lot of things to your home, but which renovations give you the best return on what you're going to invest in your home? Luckily, there is a magazine that's available that you might want to take a look at.
This annual cost versus value report is published every year. This is the 2021 version of the report. A new one's expected out in the next couple of months here in 2022. It shows what are the best return on investments if you're going to do improvements to your home that you'd like to get some sort of return when you sell.
A couple of years ago, the number one thing that you could put on your house to improve its value was a deck. I think if you spent $5,000, or let's say you spend $10,000 on a deck, you'd get back at least $10,000, maybe a couple of $100 more when it came time to sell your house. That's if you didn't have a deck and you added a deck. This year, for the 2021 time period, the best thing you could do would be to change out your garage door. And that didn't bring you back a whole lot of money.
In fact, you lost money if you look at this report from 2021 if you replaced your garage door in your home because it was wearing out and you spent $3,907. When it came time to actually sell your home, you'd actually get back $3,663. That's a loss of 6%. Not so good, right? So let's try another project. How about replacing your roof? This cost happens to be for a metal replacement roof, but you'll get the picture. $46,000 is what you would spend. You'd actually get back $25,000 when you sold, and you're taking about a 46% loss when you sell your home. But mind you, if you do the projects yourself, you save money and your return goes way up, so you can make a little money when you do these improvements. And appraisers will tell you that enjoyment of the improvements is worth money as well. Remember, they say information is power. This at least gives you some information before you make an investment in your home.
What's nice about that renovation magazine is that it's free of charge. You can actually go to it through the link that I'll put in the body of this email or web page, and that'll give you a clue as to what's the best thing for you to do if you want to renovate. If you like to talk about selling and moving, well, then that's what I'm here for, to help you. You can reach me anytime for a free consultation. I'll come out, we'll talk about what the plan might be. You can call me anytime on my cell phone at 502-376-5483. It's 376-5483. And oh yeah, by the way, if you are interested in real estate, think about tuning into my real estate show. It's on every Sunday morning on 840 WHAS from 8:30 to 9 a.m. That's 840 WHAS. Okay, I'm going to get out of this street, even though there's not a whole lot of traffic down here in central Florence, Italy. But it is a great place to come explore. There's restaurants, little cafes all around the sides, everywhere you look, and a lot of things to see and do. Give me a call anytime. In Florence, Italy, I'm Bob Sokoler, the Sokoler Team, Remax Properties East.